Okay, folks, Bob here. I just had lunch, and man, I'm gonna tell you what, those had to be the sorriest fries. If they're not the sorriest fries I've ever had in my life, they're the sorriest ones I've had in decades. Lord have mercy, they were greasy and soggy and stuck together and all kind of neat stuff. But enough about me and my bad lunch. Let's look at this 65 Dodge. Now this Dodge or 65, this is a Poly 318 Poly, not to be confused with the later LA, the small block version. When I was in high school, 17 years old, I wanted one of these cars so bad. I mean, this was the car for me. And even back then I had junkyard connections. I had quite a few as a 17-year-old kid, and there was none in none of the junkyards. I mean, not even four doors. There was nothing. And so what I ended up doing, go ahead. I'm sorry. You're fine. You're fine. Ended up not getting one. What I ended up doing was not getting one, right? But I've always wanted one, and I like this color. It really is cool. I really do like these cars. I really do. It's a 500 model.
It's like that. Well, just sitting there.
Hey, Bubby. I just work here, right?
You know, I guess it's kind of like the pretty girl in high school you never got. I always wanted one of these and never got the prettiest girl in school. Tried to get her too. She leave me alone, fool. Oh man, I love these things. I still love these things after all these years.